spying on my son. What are you doing? Playing alone? Don't worry, in a couple months. Well,
You want to ride that?
a year. A year you can have a friend.
You forgot about this thing?
No, he keeps coming on it when he comes in his room.
Go. Go, go. Go. Use your legs. Go. Use your legs. Go.
You're not gonna push me, Daddy?
Go. Push. Go forward. Go forward.
But it's easier to go backward.
How about
Nope.
like it? That way you're afraid.
That way is boring, yeah.
Try it like this.
He knows how to walk.
Hold on.
That's not...
Hold on. And then push it. Gotta move this.
Oh.
Try it. You think it's easy. Push it. Don't run into stuff. Push it. Now turn around. Turn around. Don't go backwards. Turn it.
Oh,
like
gosh.
this. Turn it. This way. Push it. Push it.
Ah!
See, he knows how to walk now, but he can learn how to run doing that.
I guess. Run! Ah! I was moving out of the way, I thought. Ah! What? Oh gosh.
Back up. Go all the way this way. Go this way. Go this way.
Okay.
Turn it. Turn it. There you go.
Get him! Doesn't know how
Turn
to
around.
stop.
Turn around like this. Run! Run! Turn around. You can run so fast.